My name is Tony Torres and I work for SYNTHEON, and we're here in this great NRB structure, and want to thank both NRB and BD&C for the opportunity to work with them on this great project. We're going to talk today about Elemix and exactly how it plays a role in building this size, this type of portable structure. Elemix is lightweight synthetic particles which allow us to control the density of the particle and put it in concrete so that we can reduce the density of the concrete from 140, 150 pounds per cubic foot down to as low as 110, 115 pounds per cubic foot and maintain its structural properties. By doing that, it allows you, for example, in this structure, to build a slab that can be transported on a truck to a site and very quickly deploy a structure that's been manufactured in a controlled environment, a factory type of environment, results in very high quality, very high performance. Typical concrete weighs, as I said, about 150 pounds. And as you can see here, there's no difference really in the appearance other than this has some yellow dye in it between the lightweight concrete and the regular concrete. Environmentally, Elemix allows you, for every pound of Elemix that you put into concrete, you can take out about 100 pounds of aggregate. It does improve the thermal properties of the concrete, and by reducing the weight, you're able to transport parts that before you couldn't, because you would weigh out the truck. Using Elemix, for example, in this structure, we were able to bring in a fairly sizable slab in one run without having to do multiple runs, which are costly from a fuel standpoint, obviously from a carbon standpoint. These built structures that are built in manufacturing sites, we really support the direction, the emphasis of what's going on here, because we believe that you can control the quality and really build tight structures that are conducive to either LEED standards, but really just high performance. We like to think of it as engineered sustainability, and taking the construction, the work, away from the site and more to a manufacturing plant where we can really implement ISO standards, where we can do a lot of controls, where we can monitor quality and then deliver a finished product, is a great advancement, and NRB's leading the way in this area, and Elemix can certainly help to make that happen. Elemix has a lot of advantages. By engineering the lightweight synthetic particles, we're able to get better crack propagation resistance, a much tougher material. We also, by reducing the weight, will reduce the weight of an overall structure. And since a building is 80% built, designed to hold up the dead load, we can eliminate 15 to 20% of that weight. We basically will impact the structure, the superstructure, the substructure of the building. Another question you may be asking is this material UL approved? And it is UL approved. It's UL approved for multi-story buildings, and you're free to use it in any sort of application where you're looking for weight reduction and performance. One other very interesting aspect of Elemix is that it significantly impacts the viscosity of pumping concrete. It allows you to pump the material much higher at much reduced pressures. Pressures up over 20%. That's critical when you're going to multi-story pours and you're trying to stage. You can probably get additional stories of pumping capability that you normally wouldn't get with regular concrete. Plus, the slump will not change as much as normal concrete. Both critical advantages when you're trying to work the material and when you're trying to expedite the rate of construction. We're Syntheon. Please, if you have any more questions or want to find out more about Elemix or any of our other products, visit us at syntheoninc.com. Thank you.